Hey everyone, my name is Vince. Welcome to a very special video on the channel. Today we're playing Mistplay. Now, I have taken the liberties here and saved you all the time of grinding up for almost 15 hours to get the recommended points for the minimum cash out on Mistplay. For all those who do not know what Mistplay is an app that promises real life money and that has had so many positive reviews on it, okay, that it's real. I cover scam apps on my channel, okay? I pretty much go onto all these little apps that promise real life money and try and debunk them or prove they're fake by showing real life player reviews of people that have actually grinded all the way up until the recommended cash outs, but then they never get their money, okay? This is Mistplay. What you're seeing right now is my list of apps that I played and was rewarded for playing, okay? You get rewarded units when you play Mistplay. So what that means is, as soon as you open up Mistplay, you create your account, then you jump into the app itself. It presents you with apps that you might like or you might not like. Each of them have different unit rewards. There is also player experience as well, but at the end of the day, we care about money. So we want to earn as many units as we can, so obviously we jump to the most rewarding units here, which seems to be under Mistplay favorites, because that seems what everyone is actually playing on Mistplay because they want the most units. Let's say you want to play State of Survival. You click on it, you go play a game, it installs the game for you, and then all you do is play the game. Really, what Mistplay is, and what this seems like straight off the bat, it's an app that is obviously meant to advertise other apps on the Play Store to really inflate their player base, to make it seem like more people are playing the apps than they really are. And I guess at the end of the day, there's nothing really illegal about that, as long as Mistplay actually rewards us for playing these apps. I mean, I'm sure there's people out there that don't mind. What I need you all to understand is that each time you get paid units, it pretty much doubles in the time it takes to get rewarded again on each app. So what the apps have here are stages. Now, each time you reach a stage, you get paid the unit amount, okay? But each stage is longer in duration. What I've found, it's pretty much double each time, or at least 1.5 times each time. That's what it seems to me. So the first time might be 15 minutes that you get paid. Then the second time might be 30. Then 45 or 60 minutes. You know, it just keeps going up and up and up until eventually you get limited. Double Win Casino Slots is saying 2.5 units. How much is 2.5 units? Let's go check our history out if we can. It seems 2.5 of the units gifted me 50 units. So there you go, everyone. An app that has 2.5 will give you 50 units. An app with 3 seems to give you 80 units. So there you go. I've just given you some lowdown here and a little cheat sheet if you want to try Mistplay on your own one day. This one says game stage 20 is all you can earn up to. Once you hit game stage 20, I'm assuming you can't earn anymore. Simple as that. This is for State of Survival. The thing I'm really curious about, and what I need to know deep down, is the app legit? This is the point of my channel. You might look at my channel and think, oh my god, this guy is just literally constantly uploading apps on his channel every day. These apps have players, and I get recommended to play these apps. So my job is to make sure you guys know what you're going to get yourself into before you waste hundreds or thousands of hours of your life. You guys have recommended me Mistplay over and over again, so here we are. I have the minimum cash out here for $5. We go to the shop. This is the reward section. As you can see, $5 is available. We have a MasterCard, Visa card, iTunes Australia don't have, JB Hi-Fi don't have, Maya don't have. Then you can buy avatars as well, which I don't know why you would. Who cares about the avatars? Here we go, everyone. Here's our rewards. What I want to do, I want to get a Visa. Let's see if this is going to let me do this, okay? I'm going to click on Visa, and let's see if we get paid out. Apparently it sends it to your email address. Let's see. Now here's the screen when you buy something on Mistplay. This is it, everyone, okay? So it says I can spend 1,800 of the units, $5 USD I'll get, buy. Okay, buy. Are you sure you want to purchase $5? Yes, confirm. Order completed. Your order is being processed. You receive a gift card via email in the next 48 hours. That is it. We've actually made a redeemable action here on Mistplay. For the first time on my channel's history, I've actually been able to cash out. This makes me very excited. You have no idea. Let's hope I can present you all an app that actually pays. If it does pay, it is going to be a miracle. Now in the top right corner of the screen, you can also see that there's a little wallet. What you need to do is click on the wallet. Then you can see when your rewards are actually going to be approved or not. So mine's still pending approval. It says I might need to wait up to 3 business days. So sadly, this video is not going to come out as fast as I wanted it to come out. whatever, it's here now. So let's find out together if we're gonna get paid or not. We better get paid, I'll be very angry. Let's find out soon. We are back here. It's been about 2 days, okay? Now, what you're seeing on the screen is a first time for me ever on doing these videos in the last 3 months of covering scam apps, okay? You are seeing Mistplay say $5 prepaid virtual visa has been approved and essentially sent to my email. So it was stuck on pending for 2 days, and now it seems it's switched over to approved. Let's check our emails and let's see if we finally have an app that pays us. Oh my god, everyone, we have found an app that has actually sent us money. Read this email from Tango Card. Congrats on your $5 gift card. Vince, your Visa prepaid card is here. $5. And it gives me a link. Dude, they've sent me something. So here's the actual page. Tango Card, Vince, your Visa prepaid card is here. I'm going to click the link for redemption. It says $5, so let's find out together, is this legit or not? Let's click the link. Aha! Okay. So, physical Visa card or virtual? I want a virtual, please. And now I have to sign up to my digital wallet. Okay, we'll get this done now. Okay, everyone, I've now got the stats. I can't show you, obviously, all the details, but it's given me the credit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. So I guess that's the 3 little digits on the back of the card. Let's see if we can use this online. I'm going to try and buy something on eBay, guys, okay? So there's another step here, everyone. You have to actually verify the card. So when you sign up, it will send you a verification link. Then you have to click that link as well. So it's like another layer of security. Let's enter this verification code in. Yep, alright, so that's it, everyone. We've now verified that. Cool. I think to celebrate, that's the right way to spend the money, okay? $5. Let's buy some fake cash just so I can actually add some props to my videos of when we finally do find a real money app, so I can just toss it around like an absolute idiot. About to cash out. Get ready for this, man. This is the ultimate moment. 3 months of grinding apps, posting them to YouTube to try and find a real life money app. Will Mistplay allow me to actually buy this fake money? Alright, so it's picked up the credit card. That's a very good sign. That means now it's found that there's $3.90 USD that needs to be allocated for this payment. If this works, everyone, I'm going to be amazed. This will be the first app that's actually paid me, bro. Will it work? It worked! No! Dude! Mistplay actually worked. Holy hell, man. You can actually tell how happy I am. This is the first app that has actually paid me. By the way, everyone, the credit card did update in real time. Just an FYI, just wanted to quickly add that in there. So now we only have $1.10 left on the card. We got some fake $100 bills coming for props, everyone, for the video, so stay tuned for that. I don't know the in-depth, though, of Mistplay. That was my first experience with Mistplay, and I have to say it was a positive one. They actually paid. Now, whether or not they're going to continue to pay, that's a question that I don't know the answer to. Look, I can't tell you anything more, guys. It worked for me. Trust me, I wanted to see if this was a scam or not. I wanted to drill Mistplay since so many people are using it. But now it's making sense why a lot of people are using it if they're actually paying, okay? That was my first experience with Mistplay, everyone. It worked. In my opinion, that's legit. I actually got money out of it. If Mistplay ever turns into an app that scams people, you let me know and I'll get back on Mistplay. And we'll go through it again and we'll see if it's a scam or not again, okay? But the initial payment, which I'm sure you guys have really wanted to see for a long time, has gone through. So that's it. We're done. I will see you all tomorrow for the next app video on the channel. I am very happy today. Finally, we broke the curse of the scams. See you next time, everyone.